Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model X Plaid versus Koenigsegg. We'll dive into what makes each of these incredible machines stand out. The Model X Plaid, an electric SUV, boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.5 seconds. Koenigsegg, on the other hand, crafts hypercars designed for ultimate top speed and raw power, often exceeding 250 miles per hour. When it comes to design, the Tesla Model X Plaid offers a blend of futuristic aesthetics and family-friendly practicality. Its unique falcon wing doors and 3 rows of seating make it a versatile daily driver. Koenigsegg, however, focuses on extreme, bespoke designs, often featuring advanced carbon fiber construction and a driver-centric cockpit, built for unparalleled driving experiences rather than grocery runs. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like these cars are engineered for specific purposes, make your meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your fuel organized, whether you're driving a Tesla or just dreaming of a Koenigsegg. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Technology in the Model X Plaid includes a large 17-inch touchscreen and advanced driver assistance systems like autopilot. Koenigsegg vehicles showcase engineering marvels, from their powerful engines to innovative transmissions and suspension systems. While a Model X Plaid starts around $90,000, a Koenigsegg can easily exceed $2 million, targeting entirely different buyers with distinct priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.